Hi, Emmanuel. This is Dora. I talked to Slav this morning and he said you'd probably be the one who would want to watch this. So it's just a really short video for you just to give you some ideas of how to rank just a little higher on Google. And these are all things that you can do yourself. So let's just get going really quick. So I did just look for restoration companies in the Bellevue area. I try to choose one of the bigger cities because it just seems to work better. So most of the time, and this is no exception, there are ads at the top, and then we come into this map pack, which is ideally where you'd want to be. And the reason is because these three companies tend to get the most business because it's fast and it's easy. So to get into the map pack, you just need to make sure that you have plenty of citations. There's lots of directories out there you can put your information into. And then also make sure that your Google business page is completely updated and optimized. Those things will help you to get into this map pack, oops, sorry, and help you to pull in some more business. We also have the organic results. And, ideally you'd want to come in above all of these directories. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you your biggest competitor and we will compare with them just to kind of give you an idea of what you might be able to get for yourself as far as traffic goes. So I'm looking at your website first. It's a great website. It's got, lots of really good pictures and stuff on it. It does have a good form here. One thing I would really recommend would be for you to have more content in your website. Google sends out crawlers and they read your site and they don't just determine if your information's relevant, but they count the number of words too. And right now, to get on the first page of Google and stay there, you need to have about 1,500 words of keyword rich content. So that's something you can do to help you move up on the organic rankings. Also, I saw that you had a form down below, but if you were able to just put a small form up here for people to fill out, those people who don't like telephones would appreciate that. And some people are kind of, they want to see exactly what they have to fill in first. Let's look at your competitor's site. Let's see. It is Allied Red, our restoration company. So, actually your site to me is much better, but they do have a little more content as far as like words go on their site, although they don't have 1,500 words, which means that it makes it pretty easy for you to overcome them that way. There are also a couple of other things that you can do. So first of all, let's just look at this program called Ahrefs. It lets me just kind of look at how your website's doing. So right now you have a domain rating, which is the power of your website, of about a 0.6, but your URL rating, which is your trust, is 23. So ultimately, you want to have these numbers a little closer together. A 1-to-1 ratio really can make a difference. And so the way you do that is by getting backlinks that are both high power and trustworthy. So let's look at your backlinks because you have 122, so that's great. And then I'm just going to separate it this way. So you've got high power on your sites, 90, 65, 59. They are going to go down to much lower numbers, but that's very normal. But you do have a lot of them that are in the higher power. But, I don't think it'll let me sort it by UR. But the one thing about it though is a lot of the pages, that you're being linked to don't really have much as far as, they're not equal. Sorry about that. So you can get other backlinks for yourself. It is not hard to do. I will show you how to do it here in just a second. Just remember that, you want to make sure that they're both powerful and trustworthy. Now, these backlinks that you have right now, 122 is not a bad number, but I'm going to show you how to get some more. So this is your competitors' numbers. So as you can see, they don't have very high domain rating or UR rating, but they are closer together. And for some reason, when you get closer to that 1-to-1 ratio, Google will move you up the page. So backlinks, and I don't know if I told you, a backlink is just a shout out. Either it's your information that's been put into a directory that somebody can click on and come to your site, or somebody has posted in their blog, or whatever it is that they post. It helps you to get power to your site. So these are your competitors' backlinks. So one thing that you can do is you can go through and you can click one by one, and you can put your information in the same, the same directories and all sorts of things. I mean, it's not just directories here, but so you just need somebody who can click through them one by one, and then you have those backlinks for yourself, plus the backlinks that you already have. So that will help you to move up over above them pretty quickly. Okay, let's go back to your keywords. All right, you've got some keywords, which is really great. You're not really pulling in any business with them right now, but as you can see, there's definitely potential here. 600 people are looking for restoration in Seattle every single month. Right now, though, you're ranked down pretty far, so you're not really getting any business from it. So if you utilized your keywords just a little bit better, you would be able to pull in some traffic from some of these searches. And then also, I'm sure there's a lot of other keywords you would be able to use also. Let's look at your competitor and see what they've got for keywords, just to give you an idea. They've got 138 keywords. And so, sewage backup cleanup. I don't know if you do that, but 90 people look for that every month. I'm going to sort this by volume just so you can kind of see. Seattle restoration, smoke damage cleaners, flood restoration. You can see there's a huge volume of people that are looking for this every single month. So if you can get into that top 5 as far as position goes, you are going to pull in business. So you can find different keywords here. You can look them up online also, but that's a really good way for you to also move ahead of your competitors. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope that it was helpful. I will reach out tomorrow to see if I can get a little bit of feedback just to find out if it was helpful for you. Thanks a lot and have a good day.